That's
that
what
light
I
on.
wanted
Can
in
you
my
turn the light on?
kitchen. Exactly. You know, those are like you knew that. Oh, how cute. Uh-oh.
Well, you can untie it.
No, that's easy.
This is what I will be wearing tomorrow.
Are strings long enough?
Hey,
Uh-oh.
that was not nice.
Oh, it's too cute.
You like it?
I
Don't look
love
at
it.
don't look at the threads too hard.
Amber, you sewed this on your new machine.
I did.
It looks good.
Amber made this on her machine. Amber. You know what? I was
Well, you
just
got the
thinking,
pair
I
of
wish I
jeans that are
had
the same,
one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, they looked here, left one. I was like, oh,
Yeah.
it's ugly.
There's one more thing in there. Right.
In here?
Yeah, in there.
You don't know what that is.
Oh my word.
My grandchild in there. Oh, look at it.
One, two,
Oh, there's just one.
three of them.
I'm a word. Look at that. How far along are you?
11 weeks.
Oh my goodness,
I
how did
know.
you keep that a secret?
I wanted to tell you in person.
Oh my word.
My goodness. I'm only 41.
Congratulations.
You made mom's day right there for sure. For a year. That's all she's been talking about.
Get that off of her.